How to use design kits in Figma. In today's video, we're diving into the world of design kits in Figma. These kits can significantly streamline your workflow, so let's get started. First off, what exactly are design kits? Okay, so design kits are collections of pre-made components, styles, and layouts that help you jumpstart your design project. Think of them as a toolbox of reusable elements, alright? To find design kits, all you have to do is go to the main menu. It's usually at the left top corner. Go to the main menu, you will see this drop-down menu. All you have to do is go to the libraries, click into that, and here you can see the option of UI kit. Tap into that, and it's going to take a while. It's loading, as you can see. So it usually includes pre-made customizable design templates for quick prototyping in Figma. So as you can see, there are 3 of them. I'm simply going to choose the simple design, and you can see all the components that it has. Different templates have different components, obviously. So if you just think that this is what you're looking for, simply go to the bottom, and you can see you can either swap the library or you can simply open a new file. Simply tap into open file and tap into open Figma. It's asking whether you want to make a copy of this file or you just want a new file. I'll just tap into the new file. So let's tap into use UI kit in a new file, and it will open a brand new file for you with the template on it that we have just chosen. So alright, since it's the new file, you have to go to the asset, and this is where you will find all the icons and components that you can use. So in order to use a component, simply you can choose any of it, and let's say I will choose buttons. Alright, I want to use this. Simply drag it from the asset panel and drop it into your canvas. You can mix and match different elements as you build your design. Let's say I want to some icons as well. Alright, this is what an anchor. Okay, this one a captain hook. Okay, so the anchor, and then as you work, keep your layers organized. This helps when you need to make adjustment later. And yeah, you can also play around with the colors and everything, with the background brands and stuff like that. You can adjust the sizing and all, and that's a wrap on using design kits in Figma. If you enjoyed this video or found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing, everyone!